Running. Today I want to show you how to create a static layer with your GIF, and also I'm going to show you how to loop this a little bit better. So let me quickly go back to Illustrator and show you where I am with this. So here is the image that I used, and it's pretty simple. If you have all the animation frames that you plan on using already made, I just went ahead and made, in addition to that, a static layer that looked like this, and it's just all these paths are on one layer. Just like you can see, that's going to, in other words, what's going to happen is that static layer doesn't animate when I make this. So you can see that that just stays the same. And that can be pretty cool depending on what you're doing, and actually can save you time and make your design look a little bit more sophisticated. So let me show you how to get started with this. So I've got all my shapes already made. The one thing I'd like to do is create more of a loop where, again, I keep going back and looking at this again. When I look at this image, see how it just like, it comes here and it just pops back. That just looks awkward. I wish it was a little bit more fluid. So let me show you a trick here. So I'm going to grab all these layers like that, edit copy. Or actually, I'm not going to even bother copying. I'm just going to drag them down to the copy layer. There they are again. And now I'm going to grab the first one, hold down the shift key, grab the last one, so only the copied layers look like that, and I'm going to come over here and I'm going to reverse the order. So, and oops, this is destination layer is locked or hidden, so let me make those invisible. Okay, let's try that again. So again, reverse order. And now they're in the reverse order. So instead of it going 20 to 2, it's going 20 to 2 this way, so 2 to 20. Okay, so I already have my static layer made, and that's layer 21. I just have to remember that. So now I just go to File, Export, super easy, and I'm going to call this static, and I'm going to call it static, and I'm going to export it as a SWF, and I'm going to replace the one I already made, and I'm going to go ahead and, again, under Basic, make sure it says All Layers to SWF Frames, go to Advanced, and down here, click Export Static Layers, and just make sure that layer 21, or the layer that you want to not animate, is the one you selected. Make sure it says Looping, and I'm going to say OK, and let's see what that looks like. So let me refresh this because I just updated it. So that's not updating, so let's go ahead and drag in the new one. Where is that? Alright, I'll just go ahead and make a new tab, and File, Open File, Static. Okay. Huh, it didn't work. How embarrassing. Why didn't, oh, I know why it didn't work. Okay. I forgot to make all these visible. I just realized if your layers are invisible, they're not going to animate. So let's do that again. File, Export, and this time, static again, and I'll call it static 2 this time, what the heck, and so I can show you the before and after. Export, again, all that's there, export static layers, layer 21, looping, okay, and here we go. So I'm going to grab static 2, which is right here, and looks like I have to actually open the file. There it is, open. There we go. See that? So see how it just like doesn't just stop? It goes back and forth. Pretty easy to do. The idea that you come up with is entirely your own, but that's pretty much how this works.